How to turn off screen time on iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can turn off screen time on your iPad. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to turn off screen time, maybe because you have enabled it for some reason, open the settings menu over here. And then on the left hand side, you want to make sure that you are under screen time. Now in my case, you can see I have enabled screen time. So if I want to turn it off, just scroll down all the way to the bottom and you should find an option called turn off screen time. So just tap on the turn off screen time option here, and here you'll find one of the options that says turn off screen time here. So just make sure to tap on turn off screen time. Now remember that if you have basically actually used a passcode, it will ask you to enter the passcode to turn off screen time, and this way you should be able to turn off screen time on iPad. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.